All right, folks, good morning. We are going to take a look at our trades from yesterday. So we'll go to our account statements. And what we'll do is we'll go back 2 days here. We'll take a look at all of the trades. Okay, so we started at the end of the day on Friday, we had a fill in EXPR. So let's just go ahead and go to EXPR, take a look at the trade yesterday. Really typical. So we've got this January call here on the poor man's covered call that we are working with. And then we just sold an at the money position. We'll let this expire worthless or roll it this week. It's currently out of the money by about 25 cents. So feeling fine there. We did open a position in Riot. A little bit different than what we normally do. So we sold the 24-23 call spread or put spread. And so let's go ahead and go to the chart in Riot. Okay, so as you can see here, Riot, make sure that I don't mess that up. So we'll keep VIX here. And so Riot, we will put in this cell. And so Riot, let's take a look here. Over the last little bit, we're down, what is this, 30% over the last month. And so I went ahead and I'm going to try to bottom this right here at 24. If we hit 24, I am going to go ahead and roll this particular position. So let's create an alert, 24 at or below. We will set that to expire this Friday. And so what we're really trying to do is just generate, 30% on the capital. We'll try to let that expire worthless. So that's the trade there in Riot. Mara. So let's go into Mara. Mara is a new security for us. Really solid implied volatility, right? So that's why we ultimately entered the trade. Really solid implied volatility. We sold this or bought the 33 for protection, 740 or so. So we've already got a little bit of intrinsic value, and we'll get more because of this gap up of 70 cents here. So we'll get more. So we're starting already to generate positive return there. And then we sold the 33. Of course, now that we're in this trade, we'll continue to roll this throughout the trade for the next 108 days on Fridays until the expiration ends. Okay, and so already generating decent returns there. So that's the trade in Mara. Skills. So Skills was a trade here. So Skills got kind of demolished yesterday, and so we had zero premium really left on this particular trade, and so we rolled up. So at the 11s. Yeah, 11 and a half. So we rolled up the 11 and a half, bought it back for 3 cents, sold the 10s for 13 cents for a total of 10-cent credit. Not a ton, but that's okay. Now the put. So let's go here to Workhorse. Again, I don't actually know that Workhorse is a real company, but I did want to go ahead and get that put there. So we had the put expiring here, and there was essentially zero extrinsic value left in this trade. So we rolled the put out to 8. At some point, hopefully this is going to expire worthless for us. We'll just keep rolling this put out. We have the protected put right here. So even if it continues to go down, this will continue to create intrinsic value. We'll continue to sell this put until we get, either a worthless expiration or the trade ends, hopefully for a small profit. And then SPY. So I am loving these diagonals on SPY, and I think we're actually going to be decently in the money here. 1 day left until expiration. We have the 428 on there. So let's take a look. So SPY, we bought to close the expiration the option that expired yesterday at 430. Then we resold for essentially a total net credit of $2.86. So really nice there. Already this position is showing us slightly in the money, but that's okay because this March position is also now slightly in the money as well. And so really we'll see, okay, almost slightly in the money. We got 431s on. And so really the plan is just to continue to resell this. And what we'll do is we'll roll it up. Hopefully roll it up tomorrow and generate some additional premium. So that is what we did yesterday here on the trade recaps. So if you have any questions at all about any of these trades, reach out to me, Ryan, RYAN at sellthatoption.com. Otherwise, happy trading.